Hey everyone, welcome back to the 5. Today we're going to talk about how we can use AI to create choice boards that we can put into Schoology. Okay, once you're logged into magicschool.ai, you're going to go ahead and look for that choice board selection. Here it is, Choice Board UDL. Create a choice board for a student assignment based on the principles of UDL. Click on that. Okay, from here, you're going to go ahead and fill out what the parameters of your choice board will be. I chose 8th grade. We're learning about the phases of the moon. Students are able to create either a poster, poem, research paper, or video. Once you have all your things added, go ahead and click Generate. As always, I recommend reading over and making sure that the assignment descriptions make sense. Once you have all that information, we're going to take copy and we're going to paste it into a Google Doc, and I'll show you how to do that in this next step. Okay, so from here I'm going to go ahead and open a new browser and bring up my Google Drive. And we're going to go ahead and create a new Google Doc. Okay, now from here, I'm going to go ahead and create a dual screen. If you forgot how to do that, remember, go to your green dot at the top left of your browser. And this is for Safari on MacBook Airs. And we're going to tile it to the left and then bring our Google Doc to the right. Okay, now that we have our documents side by side, in my Google Doc, I'm going to go ahead and insert a table. And it looks like we have 4 and 2. And so it's going to look just like that. Now you can either type or you can copy paste. Okay, once you have everything added, you can go ahead and close out that left window. Okay, so from here, I can go ahead and maybe add, let's say I want a graphic for a research paper. I can go up and insert an image from the web, type in research paper. Yeah, I like that image right there. Can add it in and insert. And so we can actually add images to this choice board as well. Another thing you can do is maybe you want to attach a link to one of the words. So maybe you have a poem and you have a nice YouTube video where it talks about how to write that poem. You can go back there, copy paste that link, and then insert the link there as well. So you can really make your choice boards interactive for your students. All right, once your choice board has been made, you can go ahead and select Edit, select All, and Edit Copy, and then go ahead to your Schoology course. So I'm going to find the course that I'm working in. And then once that's open, I'm going to go ahead and create a page. And I'm going to title this Moon Phases Choice Board. And then I'm going to paste that right in there. Once that is done, go ahead to the bottom and create. And you should have now a working choice board from AI into a Schoology page. Hope that gives you some good ideas. Enjoy.